The Hyderabad deforestation case, top court has now warned the Telangana government, and the Supreme Court has now asked the state government to take steps to restore the forest area. The Supreme Court has also said that prima facie this looks like it was pre-planned. Well, my colleague Uma Sudhir joins us. She's been tracking this story since some time now. Well, take us through the details. We understand the top court has now pulled up the Telangana government as well.
Yes, indeed. The top court, now headed, of course, by the new Chief Justice, V.R. Gawai, has very sharp words for the Telangana government and clearly said that getting the trees cut or deforestation to happen over the weekend does appear to be a pre-planned move on the part of the government, and even threatened that there could be a contempt that could be taken up, and even said that those officers, he said half a dozen officers of the Telangana government who had allowed this to happen or who had planned this to happen could be sent to a temporary prison. We can make arrangement for that, is what the Chief Justice said. Mr. Singhvi, arguing on behalf of the Telangana government, said that all activity has stopped in the Kancha-Gachibowli area in terms of tree felling, and he also said that a lot of restoration is happening and a lot of forestation activity is happening, and to that the council who is on behalf of those opposing the Telangana government's actions, Mr. Parameshwar, said that that forestation is not in the Kancha-Gachibowli area, and that Mr. Singhvi is referring to forestation that's happening elsewhere in the state. Three main takeaways that I must point out in this case. One, of course, that the next hearing in the case will happen on the 23rd of July. The second is that the court continues to maintain that restoration of the forest must happen and that we are for sustainable development. This was in fact response to Abhishek Singhvi, in fact, arguing with the court that don't I have an opportunity, why should I be denied the opportunity to convince the court that an IT park and ecology can go together, to which the court said that in fact thousands of trees had been cut, and to which again Singhvi said that it's about 147 trees is what is the number that he pointed out. But counsel who was arguing on behalf of the Kancha-Gachibowli area being restored said that forest ground reports had in fact said that 60% of the area that had been deforested was actually moderately or densely, very dense forest, and therefore this needs to be, the restoration work, if at all being done, needs to be done in the month of June when monsoons would happen in Hyderabad, and therefore the timeline was also sensitive, he said. But the court, in order to give some time for filing of the counters on the plea of Mr. Singhvi, has set the date for 23rd of July.